Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious stir-fried bitter gourd with fermented bean curd. I hope you will like it. Ingredients are bitter gourd, fermented bean curd, and chopped garlic. Mash fermented bean curd with 1 teaspoon water and set aside. Bitter gourd remove seeds and sliced. You may use spoon to scoop out bitter gourd seeds. Stir-fry chopped garlic until fragrant. Add bitter gourd. Add water simmer to cook bitter gourd. Add fermented beancurd sauce. One teaspoon oyster sauce. One teaspoon sugar. 1 teaspoon salt. Add water to simmer bitter gourd until softened. Stir-fry bitter gourd with fermented bean curd is done. Fried bitter gourd like this is very appetizing and goes well with rice. If you are afraid of bitterness, you can pickle the bitter melon with salt before frying, squeeze out the juice, wash it, and then fry it so that it will not be bitter. Bittergourd has the effects of clearing heat, nourishing blood and qi, nourishing the kidneys and spleen, nourishing the liver and improving eyesight. It has certain effects on treating dysentery, sores, heat stroke, excessive prickly heat, conjunctivitis, and other diseases. C. Bittergourd has a high vitamin C content, which can prevent scurvy, protect cell membranes, prevent atherosclerosis, improve the body's stress ability, and protect the heart. The active ingredients in Bittergourd can inhibit the canceration of normal cells and promote the recovery of mutated cells, and have certain anti-cancer effects. People with poor spleen and stomach should not eat Bittergourd. This can easily induce stomach cold pain, leading to symptoms such as diarrhea, stomachache, vomiting, and stomachache. It is not recommended to eat Bittergourd when you have a cold or fever. Bittergourd is a cold vegetable. If you eat bitter melon when you have a cold or fever, it can easily aggravate your condition or cause repeated fevers. What cannot be eaten with bitter melon? Bittergourd and pork large or small ribs forms calcium oxalate to hinder calcium absorption. Bittergourd and mangosteen will cause physical discomfort. Three, 4, C, 3. Bitter melon and tea. Although tea polyphenols are good things, theophylline will damage your stomach that is already tired from eating bitter melon. 4. Bitter melon and shrimp cannot be eaten together with shrimp and other soft shell foods, because bitter melon contains a large amount of vitamin C, and soft shell foods contain high concentrations of arsenic compounds. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.